Hello, and welcome to day 2 of your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will focus on talking about yourself in English. This is an important step in learning to speak with confidence. You will listen to me and repeat each sentence. Speak clearly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Let's begin. My name is Emily. I am 22 years old. I live in a small town in Italy. I am a student. I study English and design. I love learning new things. I enjoy speaking English. I speak English every day. I want to speak better English. I believe I can do it. Let's keep going. Repeat with me. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My family is very important to me. We eat dinner together every night. On weekends, I spend time with my friends. We go to the park. We talk, laugh, and have fun. I like watching movies. I enjoy listening to music. I also like drawing and painting. Let's try some longer sentences. I live with my parents and my younger sister. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and prepare for my classes. In the evening, I study English for 1 hour. Sometimes I watch English videos and repeat the sentences. I write new words in my notebook. I try to use them in my own sentences. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. I feel more confident every day. Now let's practice a short conversation. Repeat after me. Hi, what's your name? My name is Emily, and you? I'm David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. How about you? I'm from Italy. Do you like learning English? Yes, I do. I study every day. That's great. Me too. Now let's try some common questions and answers. Repeat both parts. What do you do? I'm a student. Where do you live? I live in a small city. How old are you? I'm 22 years old. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading and watching movies. Do you speak English every day? Yes, I practice every day. Let's do more speaking. Repeat each sentence slowly. I am friendly and kind. I enjoy meeting new people. I love learning about different cultures. English helps me connect with others. I feel happy when I speak English. I feel proud when I learn something new. I always try my best. Now, let's practice describing your day. Repeat after me. I usually wake up early. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have breakfast and go to school. I study different subjects. After school, I relax for a while. In the evening, I study English. Before I sleep, I read a book or listen to music. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Let's do another conversation. Repeat after me. Hi. What do you do? I'm a student. I study English and art. Where do you go to school? I go to a local college in my town. What do you do in your free time? I read books and watch movies. That sounds fun. Yes, I enjoy it a lot. Let's finish with some motivational sentences. Repeat with energy. I am learning every day. I am improving my English. I enjoy practicing. I believe in myself. I can speak English. I am confident. I don't give up. I am proud of my progress. Great job today. You talked about yourself in English and practiced many new sentences. Come back tomorrow for day 3 of your speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you next time.